Hi, this is Harshan from Harshan MIT. Here we're gonna discuss about first and flow planner, which was given in the computer design concept. Here, first we need to know what's the first and flow planner. Before going to that, I'll explain some important topic, why what is the reason for using first and flow planner. When the program is loaded, there is, as we know, it's undergoes the three types of analysis: lexical analysis, syntax analysis, and the semantic analysis. And in the lexical analysis, the given program is sorted into the tokens. Then the tokens come into the syntax analysis. So the work of the syntax analysis is it need to check the whether the tokens were in the correct sorted order of the required grammar. So for that, it needs to construct the pastry and so apply the production rules to find the exact grammar for that. So there is a problem in the syntax analysis which that cause we when the production rule is not correct, when the production rule is not applied, when the production rule does not reach the required grammar, so it need to backtrack. So backtracking is a very complex process. So for that the first time programmer was very useful and it make very easy to get the desired grammar output. So, okay. So here we get to know what's the first in the first time programmer. First time the follow both are different concepts. Here first we're gonna check out about the first. How does the first work? In the concept to avoid the backtracking, where the compiler would know when the compiler would know the, before 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 getting the backtrack, what's the first character of the string is produced when the production rule is applied, and comparing it to the current token or the input. It can wisely take the decisions which production rule is applied. It's like the compiler would know before the compiler would know the first character before the compiler would know the first character of the string when the production rule is applied, and comparing to the current character, it can wisely take the decisions on which production rule to apply. Okay, this is the first. When the flow, when it comes to the flow can make a non-terminal to vanish out if needed to generate the string from the face tree. Flow can make a non-terminal to vanish out if need to generate the string for the face tree. Like follow means it's like when there is a chances of a non-terminal and the terminal value like epsilon, it goes for epsilon. Okay, this is the flow. Here we dive into the code. Here, here is the functions to calculate the flow. And here is the functions to calculate the first. Here is the functions. Here is the array to store the final results. And here is the array to store the final result of the column. Here the char production which is used to store the production rules. And when we dive in the main part, where most of the process occur, Here, the what is the syntax, what are the protection rule we need to apply. Here is the input grammar. Okay, here the input grammar is applied to the calci first array where we given here calci first array. So the grammar is initialized to the calci first array. So here another part of that is it check it check the here and the production values are stored in the C, and we use another for loop to check if any value is re or reoccurred or recalculated to avoid the reoccurrence. And here comes to the final function after all the operation list. And here we add the all the calculated list into the calci first. In here, this part, after applying the initialization in the calci first, here we add into the printing of the first set grammar. Here we print the first printing of the first grammar is like after applying the printing the first solution, applying the first variable of that the production group. It may be terminal or non-terminal. It may be terminal, but it should not reoccur. If they reoccur, we need to place the value of the first occur value in the reoccur value. And here we're gonna print out the first grammar. Up to here the grammar is completed. Sorry, first is completed. And here we're gonna check out about the calci flow, about the follow. Here, as the as we declare the calci flow function, as we declare the calci flow array, we are initializing the production rules into the calci flow array, as we done in the first. Here as we see, initialize that, and in the same, the production rules are added into the CK. So in the same case, we are checking the reoccurrence values. Yeah, after that, here is the function call adding the CK to the calculated list. Here calculated list means there is the calci flow and the printing the sets of grammar. So by using the for loop, printing elements in the array. Okay, updating the array here. So as we declared in the first and foremost part, what are the conditions in the void flow in the void flow function? Here, the first follow diagram first need to start. The set symbol start with the dollar symbol. Okay. Here we calculate the first of the next non-terminal in the production. First of the next. Here we find the two for loops. I and the j plus 1. J plus 1 means here I plus 1. Here we update by two terminals. So we need to compare the up to last element. Here we calculate the follow of the non-terminal in the LHS of the prediction. Okay, here is the function and it occur in the int main. Here is the function, and here is the function to find first. In the case here we encounter the terminals. So here is the for loop. To initialize the production rules, and here is the recursion to calculate the first of mu and the non-terminal we enter a encounter after addition. If those are not there, we go for epsilon. A hash is the epsilon per bit, and here the recursion to calculate the first of mu non-terminal we encounter at the beginning. Okay, and here is the enter first and flow. Thank you for watching.